Well, at the Nueces County Jail, the sheriff's office says that they are seeing the lowest number of inmates in months. And even though the population has dropped, it's a trend that Sheriff Hooper says won't last. Lexus Green spoke with the sheriff as he explains why these numbers could change as we move into the holiday season. She's here now with more. Lexus?
Hey, Mike, that's right. For the first time in a long time, the Nueces County jail population has dropped right below 90%, 89% to be exact this week. And last week, that number was actually at 88%. But Hooper tells me that they are expecting a seasonal surge.
Ideally, we want to be below 90% because we need that much free space in the jail where we can move inmates around based on their classification or based on their behavior.
Hooper says about 30 to 35 inmates are booked and released every day, keeping numbers balanced. But that balance shifts when the holidays arrive.
During the holiday season and also in the first part of summer, because what happens in the first part of summer, number one, everybody's out of school and they're on vacation, right? A lot of, even the judges, and sometimes it's hard to fill a jury.
He says court slowdowns and vacations, not an increase in crime, are what caused this rise. We checked in with District Judge David Klein to learn more about the court side of things.
Here recently, we've gotten our numbers down quite a bit.
Klein says the courts also expect to see those population numbers increase during the holidays on their end.
I think it's a matter of the people that are involved, the courts, the district attorney's office, the defense lawyers, doing their part in keeping their cases moving.
And while Hooper can't control the numbers, he's committed to keeping the public informed.
And it doesn't matter to me if the population is 80, 90, or 100, I have to manage it.
Because he says the jail population doesn't just affect space, it directly impacts staffing levels, overtime, and ultimately the county's budget.
When it comes to transparency, I mean, this jail is a very expensive operation to run. We have over 200 employees, and it costs about $20 million a year to run this jail. And so that's tax money that I believe the citizens deserve to know how it's being managed, how it's being operated, and how their tax money is being spent.
According to Hooper, the Texas Department of Jail Standards requires 1 jailer per 48 inmates, so these numbers have an impact on the budget as well as taxpayer dollars. Hooper tells us that the county jail isn't feeling any impact from the government shutdown, though he does say most of the jail's bigger contracts focus on food, medical, and mental health services. Mike, back to you.